Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and thank you for being here and becoming a member of Act Clever. I truly appreciate it. After you've become a member and you log into your account to share your membership with your coworkers, your fellow employees, people within your company, I ask that you only share this with people that have a company email address. So to do that and to share the link so that each person can individually have their own account, track all their own training, keep track of everything they've done, the courses, the lessons, the topics, you're going to, after logging in, go up and click on account up in the top right hand corner. Once you click on account, you'll be brought into your account area. When you come in here, go up and click on subscriptions. When you come into subscriptions, you'll see something called sub-accounts. Click on sub-accounts. When you click on sub-accounts, you'll be taken inside, and this is the URL or the link you will share with your colleagues to sign up. You can click on the little clipboard item right here, or you can just select everything, copy, and paste it into an email. If you prefer, you could also add a sub-account here, but I think it's just as easy to let your colleagues do it and go in and sign up on their own. Ladies and gentlemen, it's very easy to work with. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me, but that's what you do. Thank you very much. Bye now.